G'day guys, hope you're doing well. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do graffiti easily using a Posca Mop'r marker and then some other Poscas as well. Hey, I thought these came off easy, these lids. You see it in all the videos. Oh, that's how they do it in the videos. Oh, that one's just run off the table. I'll leave that to the experts. Let's get creative and get into the video. I'm going to lay down my last name, Evans. I did think about doing my nickname Evo from years back, but in this one I'm going to go with Evans because it gives me a bit more of a variety. And make sure you're creative with whatever word you use. Think about intertwining where the letters go through each other, overlapping and extending some of your letters. The Posca Mop'r makes it easy. Just go with the flow. If you want to know more about Posca Mop'r and how you can use them, check out this video. In this step, take a darker marker. I'm using dark blue for this one. It's going to make my other colour, the light blue, stand out and pop and provide what we call contrast. Light against dark makes it look even better. Think about where the light source is. In this one, I've got my light source coming from the top left, and so I'm going to have all my shadows on the bottom and the right hand side of all my objects. Once you've done the shadows, time to add the highlights. Super cool adding highlights. All you're going to do is add some highlights on the top left if your light source, depending on where your light source is coming from. That's where mine is, so top left on all of them with the white paint pen. It's time to get your creative juices flowing. I'm going to use red and I'm just going to put some extra emphasis in there using lines. You might like to do bubbles, textures, other lines, patterns, whatever you want over the top of your lettering. I'm just going to create some extra lines on here to make mine stand out. In this step, I'm going to just outline my whole artwork with a black because it just sort of makes it pop and stand out. You can also put a bit of extra shadowing on as well if you want to with your black. and voila, you've created an awesome 3D lettering graffiti in the graffiti style using Posca markers. Hope you've had a great time watching today's video and you've got some value out of it. If you have, give me a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate that, and maybe subscribe for more future Posca marker tutorials and other how to draw videos. Until next time, keep creating, stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers guys, bye, see ya.